Advantages of multi-model workflow generation diagram. Just OK. There is no need to use the LoRa model to control the generated results. This workflow I will share it in my notes. Or you can use the terminal cloud mirror online. Open my workflow first. Just open it next to it. It's in my notes. Just search directly. In the notes, search for multi-model drawings yourself. There are tutorials for downloading and installing the model here. There are also workflow downloads. He actually uses the models. This is very important. That is, it is a model of the same series. One is real. One is cartoon. Use this to control the weights used by his model. For example, if it is adjusted just use to model 1. If it is adjusted to 1 here, it will also be used. Model 1, there are two types of prompt words. One is model control. One is prompt word control. If you adjust it to 1 here, that is, he will prefer the real model. Let's generate and see this effect. The prompt word is very simple. Just a girl in a bar. Control through these two. Characters created in this way. Just a bit more real. If I bias the model towards the anime model below. This is an anime model. Then I will adjust this to all. Here is a complete model using anime. 0 is also used here. Then go to generate. Set it up like this. The generation will be biased towards anime. This has not yet been generated. My side is a fixed. Let him. It is generated based on this picture. Can see clearly. Compare this advantage. You can adjust it yourself. What is the name of the generated graph? For example, the 2D characters we often use. Half and half style. Then you can adjust it to 0.5 here. You can better control the style. Now this is generated in anime style. I'm going to lower it by 0.5 at a realistic style. It is to switch the weight between the two models. Then this is to switch the weight of the prompt word between high and low. For example, this style prompt, just use models. Just use the style tip below. But the style tips are actually the same. Prompt word weight. The impact is relatively small. So you want to press this bias towards the real one. Just improve it, because you can understand that as fine-tuning below. If it is a prompt word, now I want to make it a little more real. I adjusted the prompt word at the bottom to 1. This is the model. It will be a little more real on this basis. Of course, you can also directly increase then improve it even more. The effect is more obvious. If UI, that is to completely use the model to get rid of the drawing. So this hybrid model is a good way to generate images. You don't need to download LoRa or anything else. There may be other different models. I can use it to blend and draw the image. This way he tends to be a little more real. But it still feels like anime. If I want to be more real, that is to adjust this completely to 1. The bottom is also 1. This way it will be more real. We can click to see. In this way, the generated style can be controlled by mixing between models. Compared with using LoRa, there is one more way to control the style.